Welcome to Guide Coachings. In today's tutorial, we will dive into the world of data integration using Alteryx, where we will guide you step by step on connecting XML files and SQL Server with your Alteryx. Whether you are a data enthusiast, analyst, or professional, mastering this skill will evaluate your data processing capabilities. Stay tuned as we demystify the process and empower you to harness the full potential of Alteryx for efficient XML and SQL Server data connections. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned data wrangler, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to streamline your workflow and conquer data chaos. Let's dive into the magic of Alteryx and master the art of connecting, extracting, and transforming data effortlessly. Let's get started. So, before starting, in this tutorial we are going to see two more important aspects of Alteryx connection. The first one is connection of XML and the second one is your database connectivity with Alteryx, that is SQL Server. Into our previous tutorial we have also discussed about how you can connect your Excel sheets with your SQL Server and convert your Excel data into a database. And then now in this tutorial we are going to see how you can connect your SQL Server and get the data to Alteryx. Okay, if you have not subscribed us, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, so let's get started. So today we are going to see the XML file. So the way is very simple. We will click on a new workflow. Okay, I will click on input data file. I will drag it, drop it over here. I'll go to setup connection and I will select files as I want to connect a file. From here I can select XML file also, or I can directly go and select file from here as well. Okay, so I'll go from over here. I'll select this XML, double click on it. Once I double click on it, it will give the values over here. Now what I will do, I'll simply browse. I'll connect a browse tool over here. It will take some time and the data will be loaded onto my left hand side. That is, here you will see the data not available as of now, but if I run it, I believe it will work. So it is running and it is giving me the results. Okay, so this is how the data is coming. Okay, if I want to change the names, I can go over here. I can do the change the name of the annotation XML file. Okay, and then over here I can put the annotation as adding XML data. Okay, that is how we can do it. I will just click outside, so the file name will be changed, the tool name will be changed. Okay, so this is how we can connect the XML file. This is again very similar to the previous videos where we have seen how to connect your text file and your Excel sheets. Now the most important aspect, I would say, to connect your SQL Server with your Alteryx. So how you can do that? So for doing that, again we will be doing the same process. Like we will be taking the input data from here, from the tool. Okay, so I'll just wait for some time. I'll drag it over here, I'll drop it over here. Now setup connection. Once I click on the setup connection, here is the fourth option which is available, data sources. Now as we can see, there are multiple data sources which are available over here. IBM Netezza, IBM DB2, Hive, HDFS, Dropbox, and we have multiple data sources which we can connect. Amazon S3 bucket, we have Redshift, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon Athena. So we have multiple data sources we can connect. We have Oracle to connect, we have Microsoft SQL Server to connect. So we'll select the first option which we wanted to connect. Now once I click over it, I will get a UI over here. Okay, so from here I can click on new. Okay, and over here I can give the details. Now where I can find these details? To find these details, I will open the my SSMS, and over here I can find that, okay, into the database I will be able to find my tables. Okay, sample superstore and the other tables we have. Okay, so this is my Excel. Now here I will put the details. So I have kept the details ready, so I'll just open this. This is my details, so I will just copy it and I'll paste the name over here. Okay, then I have SQL Server authentication. I will give the authentication name. Okay, server, I will select server as 13, but before that I will select the driver is 13. Now I will give the name the server, so I will give the database engine. Okay, and then I'll put it over here. I will save it and I will connect credentials. Okay, so once I click on the connect credentials, it will ask me authentication method, which authentication method you want to use. So I will use Windows. Why? Because here I have not passed any username and password. So I'll close it and I'll relaunch it just to show you how it works. So I'll reopen it. Meanwhile, I'll show you the other details. So I have connected this, then I will do the test connection. It is testing the connection in progress. Okay, it is loading. It will take some time as I have closed my SQL server. Okay, but it will connect ultimately. These details which I have kept over here, you can find it out on your SQL server details machine. Okay, once you open it, these details are shown. So just to show you, this is how it will look like. Here you can find out the server name, type name, authentication type. So these are the details which you can select and you can paste it over here. So this is how you can find out the details. You will click on the connect and now you are connected to your database. Okay, so this is your database. These are the files which are available over here. Now I'll go back to my connection. It is taking some more time. Meanwhile, I will tell you one more thing. If you don't find this option available, as I was also facing this issue, so okay, that's fine. We'll close it. It is not working as of now, but that's fine. We can discuss further. I have already taken the screenshots of it. So once you connect over here, what it will do, I'll show you. And if you don't find this UI, if it gives you the empty failed connection, failed parameter error, so what you need to do, you just need to open it. You need to copy these details. Okay, then on the next screen, when you connect it, you will get this type of error. If you get this type of error, what you can do, you can go to this directory like PC. On your C folder, you will go to users and then your username, and then you will, if you don't find this app data now, so what you need to do, you need to put a slash. So I'll just show you practically how I have done that. So you will go over here. If I'll show you in practically. Okay, so this is my app data. Okay, so this is I am on my page. Okay, so I don't find it. I am over here. I will go to users. Okay, I'll go to users. I'll go to my selected folder. Now I am here. I don't find app data. So what I will do, I will click over here. I will select app data and I will hit enter. As I hit enter, I will able to see these options. So I will go to local, then I will go to Alteryx, and then I will select these two files and I will delete these two files. Okay, you need to delete these two files and then your Alteryx will show you the option to connect. Okay, as of now it is not showing me. Okay, so we will proceed without it. Okay, it takes some time because my system is old, but I have taken the screenshots to show you guys. So you need to delete these files, and once you delete it, you will be able to see the UI something like this. You need to give the connection name and you need to give the host name. So host name is the same thing which you have seen over here. Okay, so this is your host name, that is the server name. You need to pass it over here. Okay, once you do that, you need to select the authentication type. You need to select the Windows authentication and you need to click on OK. Or before that, you need to test it. Once you test it, it will give you that okay, connection is successful, and you need to it will redirect you over this page where it will show you the sample DB tutorial. If I will take you to my here sample DB tutorial, see, this is my database which has these many values. So it is showing me sample DB tutorial DBO. Okay, so in DBO we have test Excel, we have DBO and text Excel. Okay, so this is my text Excel. Okay, database again. So these are the values, or these are the tables which are available over here. So you can select any table, as I have selected orders table over here. So orders table, and now you can check out all the rows which you want, and you can click on OK. So I have checked it all the rows. That is how you will check it out, and the here you will see the option. You need to click on the OK. Once you click on OK, it will start loading the data, and for seeing the details you just need to drag your browse option over here and drop it over here. It will create the linking between each other, and once you hit that run button, it will give you the data. It is pretty much simple. It will just going to take you some time to connect it, so you can do that, and it is pretty much simple. So you must try this. It is very important. Once you do this, you will be able to get the details, and you will be able to use it. Okay, so just try it one more time. Let's try it. Link, connect. Okay, I believe it is done. Now I'll just hit it will take some time. Okay, so that is how it will be. Basically, that is how it is going to work. Okay, and that's all for today. If you have any questions, any queries, any doubts regarding the topic which we have covered today, you can write me a comment and we will discuss it into our next tutorial. You can also just to highlight one more thing. Where here you can also connect Postgre and the other data sources which you can use, which you wanted to use in your project, or you want to do it for practice purpose, you can do that as well. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you have not subscribed us, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much.